(2026) Porsche Cayenne Turbo Electric, when an electric SUV enters supercar territory. If you thought you knew how powerful the Cayenne was, the turbo electric version will make you rethink the entire definition of SUV performance. It's the most powerful Porsche ever made, and it doesn't use a drop of gasoline. Firepower, up to 850 kilowatts, 1,139 horsepower. Kick down, activate launch control, and you have 1,139 horsepower, 1,106 lb-ft of torque. 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds, faster than many mid-engine supercars. A quarter mile, 9.9 seconds, insane for a 5-seater SUV. Top speed, 162 miles per hour. In normal driving mode, the Turbo Electric still has 630 kilowatts, 844 horsepower, more than enough to make everything around you feel like it's in slow motion. And if you want an instant adrenaline rush, Porsche offers push to pass. Right arrow plus 130 kilowatts, 173 horsepower, for 10 seconds at the push of a button. Racing car technology from the racetrack, direct oil cooling for the rear motor. For the first time, Porsche has introduced direct oil cooling technology, developed from motorsport, to the Cayenne Turbo Electric. The result? High power for longer, consistent performance at high speeds, capability to handle huge torque loads without losing power, high voltage Formula E level recuperation. The Turbo Electric doesn't just run fast, it also brakes to generate electricity fast. Maximum energy regeneration of 600 kilowatts. 97% of everyday braking situations don't involve mechanical braking. Want track-style brakes? Porsche has PCCB carbon ceramic, specifically for the turbo. Chassis, real sport SUV, not just straight line. Standard, adaptive air suspension. PSM, Porsche Active Suspension Management. The turbo version is buffed with PTV Plus, limited slip diff rear axle. Tire slash will arch in the signature Turbo Night design. Active aero blades at the rear. Active splitter to increase range at high speeds. Active ride option almost eliminates all body vibrations, running fast but feels like gliding. Turbo exterior, Turbo Night, the name of the peak Cayenne. Only the Turbo Electric version has Turbo Night accent color on. Porsche logo, wheels, window trim, rear light bar. One look and you know right away, this is no ordinary Cayenne. Brain interior and technology, more advanced, bigger, and more turbo. Highlights: extremely large flow display curved screen. HUD AR with 87-inch virtual display area in front of your eyes. Mood modes change seat posture, light sound. Heating both seats and interior surfaces, armrest, door panels, etc. Ambient light with communication light. Welcome. Vehicle status notification. Charging progress display. Electric plug 400 kilowatts super fast charging and 11 kilowatts wireless charging support. Thanks to 800V structure. 1080% in just 16 minutes under ideal conditions. 113 kilowatt-hour battery, dual-sided cooling. Charging port. J3400 NCS DC. J1772 AC. CCS adapter included. Inductive charging option. Just park the car on the charging pad. Everything starts automatically. Money with Wings price and facts. Cayenne Turbo Electric from $163,000, excluding fees, options, and taxes. Delivery, late summer 2026.